I've got two new Louis Vuitton goodies to share with you today. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amanda. I do a lot of fashion and luxury videos here on YouTube as well as Instagram and TikTok. So make sure to follow me everywhere. But let's go ahead and dive into some eye candy. Let's go ahead and start out with the newest goodie. So I've actually already filmed this video and the footage did not work out. So this is the second time I'm filming it. So I don't have the box anymore for this, but if you follow me on Instagram and you watched my stories, you know Chai ate my Louis Vuitton sunglasses case in the size. This is one of my, 5 handbag essential SLGs, and I've owned this for about 8 years, maybe a little bit longer, 8, 9, 10-ish years. I've had this for a very, very long time. I am so bummed because obviously this item is discontinued and it's a little harder to find, but I found one and I ordered it immediately and I love it. It's actually in better condition than this one is in. And it's just one of those handbag essentials that is part of my handbag must-haves. And if you're anything like me and you like your SLGs to match, I knew I needed to get a sunglasses case, and this is kind of the only one that I like. I don't like any of the newer sunglasses cases. This was the same as mine. It is made in France, I believe. Yes, it is made in France. All my SLGs are monogram canvas. That is just my preference, and so sad, but I've got a replacement. We are good to go. If you guys have any tips or any ideas what I can do with this one, let me know down in the comments. Now, this item I actually purchased several months ago, and it's just been sitting here in my office, and I really didn't have a place or a need to wear it just because of the current season. If you shop ready to wear, typically ready to wear is available quite early. So you're usually buying summer things in the winter and fall and winter things in the spring and summer. That's basically the case with this one, but I can probably pull her out soon, which is really, really exciting. I started adding ready to wear a few years ago, and I try to add 1 or 2 pieces a year now, and I don't have anything like this. However, it is also like my favorite clothing item to add to ready to wear, and that is a layered piece. And so what I got was this lightweight bomber jacket. I did have it altered. Keep that in mind. Every single ready to wear piece that I own has been altered to my particular body. So this has been taken in, the sleeves have been shortened, but I absolutely love this piece. I have several Louis Vuitton jackets back here, all black. I think I have 3 black Louis Vuitton jackets. I don't have anything in this tan color, which I actually wear more of. I love it. It says Louis Vuitton here across the chest. You've got this beautiful monogram canvas lining. It's like a mesh lining. If you've ever purchased Louis Vuitton ready to wear, I just feel like they do an amazing job with the details. Look at the tassel. It's Louis Vuitton canvas. I'll pop off some details. I did get this in a 36. I do think a 34 would have fit me better, but again, they altered it. But don't go crazy when it comes to that. Yes, they can alter things, but I do have 1 or 2 things on my ready to wear rack that I bought too large and had them altered, and I just still am not 100% happy with it. So don't go too crazy when it comes to sizing, when it comes to ready to wear, in my opinion. The pieces are just too expensive. So if it's not available in your size, it's just not meant to be, is kind of the way that I'm going to look at it moving forward. I do think that this one worked out and I am happy with it, but that's not the case with everything. But I absolutely love the details. Always amazing, amazing details when it comes to ready to wear. And I just love this so much. It's going to go with my Louis Vuitton sneakers. It's going to go with so many things that I have in my Louis Vuitton ready to wear, but then also just my everyday wear as well. I went ahead and grabbed one of my other favorite Louis Vuitton jackets from the rack. I absolutely love this. Similar style, but just a different setup. This one, as you can see, has the monogram along the front and then solid in the back, but the monogram is still here on this sleeve area. Hopefully you can see it. I really, really love this one. I got this one in a 34. Did I have this one altered? I think I might have had the sleeves taken in this one, but that's it. This one just fits really, really well. But I love, love, love this one. This is my other casual kind of Louis Vuitton jacket. This one is monogram all over. Oversized, more like a windbreaker style with the gold hardware monogram zipper pull here. I do really like this one. However, I do like the other one I just shared with you a little bit better, and I don't think you really need both, but they are 2 different vibes. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. So there you have it, just a couple of new Louis Vuitton items. If you're new to my channel, make sure to say hi down in the comments, and I hope you stick around by hitting that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.